8000 Electric Circular Saw. This vehicle is designed for processing large trees. The equipment has a 60-inch circular saw and a 7-inch separating cylinder. First, the circular mechanism cuts the wood, and then the logs fall into a special device that divides them into 4 parts. Some of the advantages of this type of vehicle are its powerful engine, the possibility to drive it with a joystick, and its comfortable heated cab. VZ950. This elementary crusher is equipped with a hydraulic transmission and is one of the most powerful vehicles of this manufacturer. Thanks to the device's modular design, operating time and consequently maintenance costs are relatively low, while the crusher is extremely powerful, efficient and reliable in material processing. Very often, these machines are used to process logs as well as bodywork, plants and household plastic waste. Thanks to its track system, the crusher can move at a high enough speed despite its impressive weight. Forced Mulcher AHWI M650. This wood shredder is a new generation universal unit which provides ecologically effective and at the same time fast land cleaning as well as high quality soil cultivation. The shredder is designed for heavy and medium duty and is ideal for preparing large surfaces with different plants. The coupler can be installed on any vehicle carrier with an engine of 140 to 350 horsepower. It should be noted that the shredder is able to immerse itself in the soil at a depth of up to 8 inches to remove the roots of plants already cut, and its edge is able to cope even with hardwood species. SVTruck TMF 2821. Reach Stacker, a special forklift designed to work with containers of all types, weighs 75 tons and has a load capacity of 35 tons. Its overall dimensions are 30 by 14 by 13 feet, while the huge vehicle runs on diesel fuel. With the help of a large mobile hook with a maximum lifting height of 21 feet, this vehicle can also be used for clearing the forest and during construction work of varying degrees of complexity. Littermaster 9000. This vehicle is ideal to clean bottles, straw, plastic cans, glass, plastic bags and other items quickly and with high quality. This equipment makes it possible to quickly collect garbage after massive sporting and cultural events. The developer assures that this vacuum vehicle is far superior to conventional gasoline-based blowers. Direct suction allows cleaning an area of approximately 7 miles in just 6 hours, significantly reducing the cleaning time. The diameter of the suction hose is 8 inches, and it should be noted that this technical tool is simple to use and designed to operate for several years without requiring significant maintenance. Valtra N92. Here we have a trailer sweeper manufactured by Broadway with mechanical adjustment and direct loading of garbage in the landfill compartment. This technical device has been designed to effectively clean urban roads and pedestrian areas of the city, as well as roads. It should be noted that the vehicle is compatible with most models of dumpers and tractors and is capable of cleaning up to 1.2 tons of trash per minute. The collection technology effectively removes crushed snow, asphalt debris, and any trash on the street. The sweeper is equipped with 2 side brushes with a diameter of approximately 1300 millimeters. In each brush, the user can adjust the amount of hair, hold, and tilt angle longitudinally and transversely. In addition, it also has a cylindrical rear brush with a diameter of 750 mm, which provides high shaft rotation speed and therefore higher operating speed. Moti KE3000. This new hydraulic combine is impressive for its functionality, shape, and design. This pumpkin harvesting machine is equipped with a huge sifting cylinder composed of semicircular rods which guarantee high productivity. The cylinder crushes the pumpkin and sends it to the transporter. The conveyor, in turn, runs on a heavy fuel engine and consists of a low-wear belt with several layers of rubber and fabric. In the collection compartment, a special mechanism rotates using a hydraulic system and allows for quick and trouble-free unloading. Among the advantages of this hydraulic machine, it's worth mentioning the economical mode of operation, the electronic display control, and the high collection quality. Dominator 88S. This vehicle is equipped with a powerful cutting device. Adjustable discharge springs on hydraulic cylinders ensure precise copying of the soil relief. This combine has 3 drive chains with robust profiles. The Dominator has a threshing machine with a 450mm diameter cylinder and a rotation angle of 117 degrees. This model is equipped with a mechanical transmission, a 160 horsepower engine, and a spacious cab. It's worth noting that the owner of this vehicle could manually select the speed of the shredder and adjust the space under the cylinder. New Holland T7 270. This tractor adapts perfectly to the changing needs of agriculture. It stands out for its small size, lightweight construction, and high performance. It should be noted that this machine has an impressive capacity of 228 horsepower, and if the owner wants to add a forced supercharging system, the tractor can develop a power of up to 270 horsepower. The excellent viewing angle makes working on the T7 less tedious. The 2-stage automatic cab suspension reduces vibration by 25% as well. The movement of the vehicle is controlled at all times by a position sensor located on the seat. Ground chainsaw. This huge saw is a special suspension unit to drill the ground. This vehicle has been designed to work with different types of soil and on different surfaces thanks to the sharpened teeth at the base of the workpiece. The drilling mechanism can be easily attached to any tool designed for this job.
Rapid rotation
and doesn't cause
and a
any
sharp
inconvenience
blade
when it's
work
moved.
together to expose the concentric rings on a new saucepan. foundation of oscillating poles works in unison with a rotating arm to wrap a hay bale in just seconds. Tricolored ice cream is packaged up neatly every single time with perfect timing. Five mechanical parts move in perfect synchronicity to bind the links on a heavy-duty chain. A triangular metal template moves vertically to perfectly score triangular cuts that form a piece of expanded metal. Power wash with an adjustable arm is used to remove brown sludge from a clogged pipe. An arm with a flexible blob on it is dipped into a silkscreen pattern to decorate a bowl. A curb full of weeds is cleaned up thanks to a rapidly rotating wire brush that is attached to a street cleaner. A double-armed machine shears noodles to their exact size and launches them into steaming water for cooking. The arm of this pasta cutting machine rotates in a circular motion to cut ribbed elbow pasta. Two parts of this machine rotate together to craft the same exact size thread every time. A chain link fence is constructed in just seconds by two parts of the same machine that are moving in different directions. Different size arms of this machine cave in on themselves to bend pieces of metals to desired shapes. Identical pieces of ice blocks are cut to size quickly by the use of a vertical table saw blade. A mechanical arm scoops up a wrecked car and drops it into a car compactor that turns it into a cube of scrap metal. An automatic arm drops down to fasten, rotate, and peel a coconut in under 5 seconds. A comforter is tightly spooled on an automatic arm for packaging and delivery purposes. Six separate arms of this machine all perform different tasks to create a perfectly coiled heavy-duty spring. A circular pipe is inserted into a pipe deformation machine that transforms the pipe into a square shape. A field of old crops and weeds is cleared for a new planting system, with this tractor attachment consisting of a giant tank of propane and several fire-throwing arms. Heavy feed is propelled closer to these cows from the attachment blade that rotates in a counterclockwise motion, both scooping and launching the feed for accessibility. Freshly chopped and sorted hay is scooped up, and through a compaction device is forced out the other end and chopped into exact blocks.
Pretty cool, isn't it? This thing is pretty heavy too.
A punctured plastic mulch layer is quickly laid down and farming beds are trenched thanks to this nifty machine dragged from the back of a moving tractor. By use of a floor track and pulley system, this level scraping device is slowly dragged across a barn floor to remove toxic cow dung. Congrats! If you made it up until this point, luck is on your side. Make sure to click on the subscribe button to activate it in your life. Fermented hay, known as silage, is perfectly chopped to size and hauled off by this impressive cutting blade that chops in a vertical fashion. This powerful blade attachment both creates water canals and redirects decomposed vegetation to ensure fertile soil for new crops. Watch this massive boulder get turned into dust by a heavy-duty rock grinder attachment with rapidly spinning sharp blades. This 100-inch truck spade uses 4 separate digging and extraction blades to surround and cut away all anchor roots for easy tree transporting. After pallets of young rice are loaded onto an undulating tray, many rotating arms grab each rice stalk one at a time to plant them perfectly in a straight line. First, this powerful arm clamps down on the tree stump and then uses the leverage of its own weight and gravity to extract the dead stump. The thick stream of water from this rotating farm rain gun is interrupted by an oscillating arm that's used to redirect water streams for different watering distances. This crafty farmer drags a giant mowing blade to break the line of this massive fire and prevent it from spreading further than it already has. This Claas 950 self-propelled forage harvester uses a series of rotating circular chopping and sorting blades to mow down and harvest large portions of corn stalks in just seconds. Watch this app-operated farm bot plant seeds, water accordingly, and pull weeds to ensure a steady crop of vegetables are grown year-round. After the milk is extracted from each cow on a rotating pallet, a robotic arm extends underneath each cow to administer a spray of a solution that controls the spread of mastitis immediately after milking. Powder milk solution is dumped into the feeding reservoir of this Patura Milk Express, where up to 30 calves drink fresh milk from rubber teats pumped in from a 4-stroke Honda motor. Milking cows are successfully fed by this Lely Vector robotic feeder that measures feeding height and amount, mixes the perfect blend of feed, and then delivers the feed on demand. Watch this pasture get quickly plowed with this tool containing 3 blades set at different distances to ensure all plowed land neatly lays over. This Lely brush operates in a clockwise motion to clean dirt and dust from the cows and also improve their blood circulation. An excavator attachment containing sharp rotating blades moving in opposite directions is lowered onto a grown tree only to grind it to pieces. Olive tree branches and stumps are grinded down into fertilizer thanks to this incredibly powerful grinder tool attached to the front of a forward-moving tractor. Through a series of chains, straps, and a rotating pallet, a large cow is lifted and turned on its side to get treated by a veterinarian for its hoof infection. Catching a young calf is made easy with this attachable steel cage designed with a spring-loaded catch and release system for calf tagging. Fresh dirt is churned up and reformed into perfect planting rows by this device that contains metal forming molds that rotate when dragged.
SRS Road. Many of you heard about cars that can move both on the road and on the railway. As a rule, such transport performs highly specialized tasks. However, the Goldschmidt truck is built on a completely different principle. It is based on a multifunctional modular platform. It features a truck that has a full-fledged chassis for free movement on rails. An operator just needs to get on the railway tracks and activate the train mode using the remote control. The pallet trucks will be ready to go by lifting the truck above the tracks within a minute. The manufacturer has also provided a zero-turn function. For this, the machine is lifted on a retractable platform that rotates it around the axis. Depending on the task, the SRS road rail houses a crane, snow cleaning equipment, cable lifts, or a field research laboratory. Klein Vision Air Car. We have repeatedly shown the audience cool flying cars, so we simply cannot skip another interesting development. The Klein Vision Transformer was created by Slovak engineers, and it looks just stunning. Imagine a random combination of a sports car and a World War II American bomber. This is what Air Car looks like in flight. Moving around the city, this vehicle resembles a futuristic supercar. But as soon as it gets to the airport, everything changes. The driver starts the automatic transformation system. The rear wing transforms into a tail unit, and the wings extend from hidden cavities in the vehicle body. In just 3 minutes, Air Car transforms from a car into an airplane. A flying vehicle is capable of flying 621 miles on one tank. The heart of the car is the BMW 1.6i engine, which produces 140 horsepower. The maximum flight speed is 124 miles per hour. Interestingly, with a weight of 2,425 pounds, Air Car takes on board more than 440 pounds of payload, excluding the weight of the pilot. The car can move freely on public roads and does not require additional parking space. Vox and Wattman. Most recently, we talked about the fastest production electric motorcycle in the world, the LS218 Lightning. However, technologies are evolving, and based on the latest news from the Châteauroux airfield, a new king appeared in the world of electric bikes around Paris. It bears the proud name of Vox and Wattman. In a short period of time, famous motorcycle racer Max Biaggi broke 11 different records on it. The main achievement of this vehicle was the absolute speed record for electric motorcycles. During races on the 11,482-foot-long runway, Biaggi accelerated to 253 miles per hour. For high-speed experiments, the engineering team used special fairings. However, even without these devices, the technical characteristics and appearance of the bike itself are impressive. The standard version has got a 150 kilowatt electric motor and 200 Newton-meters of torque. A super rigid aluminum exoskeleton is used as the base for the frame. Acceleration from 0 to 60 is achieved in 3.4 seconds, while the maximum speed in this configuration reaches 231 miles per hour. Cinnebogan 870 E-Series. Port maintenance is one of the most challenging logistics challenges in the world. Loading and unloading of ships is going on continuously. That is why Cinnebogan's development feels like a duck to water. This is a huge excavator that, like a cartoon character Inspector Gadget, rises on a tracked platform, towering over the working platform. The cabin of this special vehicle is also movable and can be extended upwards by several meters, providing additional visibility to an operator. Special attention should be paid to the impressive manipulator arm with a length of above 88 feet. The upper limit of the weight load is 125 tons, and in the full distance position of the working width, 97 tons. An important feature of the new excavator is a hybrid power plant with a capacity of 261 kilowatts. This reduces fuel consumption by up to 30%. An all-electric version of the giant Cinnebogan 870 series is also available with a capacity of 250 kilowatts. Industrial Scanner for Containers. Smuggling of illegal goods, large consignments of drugs, and human trafficking is a harsh reality of transport hubs like seaports and airports. As a rule, high workload and a limited set of tools do not allow employees of regulatory authorities to effectively fight illegal activities. However, remote scanning systems keep evolving, even when it comes to industrial scale. Recently, mobile systems for analyzing the internal contents of containers started to appear in large ports. This is a huge scanner that scans the load for 30 seconds and allows the operator to quickly analyze the object. The system for checking passenger baggage at the airport works in a similar way. There are several projects that bring the idea of an industrial scanner to life in different ways. NukTech went by creating mobile platforms. In the first one, the system is placed on a truck, allowing the scanner to move on public roads. In another project, the installation features a simplified version of a gantry crane. Some firms are developing autonomous systems that travel along a given route. However, such projects are still far from ideal since they need to improve the software for unmanned vehicles. FNSS Pars 3 8x8. From the vastness of civil transport, we proceed to the famous Turkish armored vehicle FNSS Pars. This time we are concerned about the Pars 3 8x8 project, created by the Order of the Royal Omani Army. The 8-wheel all-wheel drive engineering vehicle is designed to perform a wide range of tasks. In fact, it is a Turkish-made military multi-tool. The armored car has a variety of plugins such as an excavator bucket, a minesweeper, and an installation for automatic road marking. In addition to the high degree of safety, technological Pars boasts a modern control system and a large set of sensors that analyze the environment. It has got adjustable ground clearance, rolled steel homogeneous armor, and a cruising range of 217 miles on rough terrain. The vehicle can swim and move around at night with the lights off. The engineering configuration provides for clearing of roads, creating of obstacles, and even building dummies of military equipment to deceive the enemy. Transformer Work Truck F-250 Super Duty. What does a car mechanic's dream transport look like? According to DeBerti Design, it should look like a Ford F-250 Super Duty pickup truck. Of course, its original form features just a powerful American car. However, they worked on it really hard and managed to turn it into a workhorse. The rear body panels are movable and conceal tool cabinets underneath. They store a variety of devices for car maintenance. Hidden equipment niches are everywhere, in the front and rear bumpers, in the lower part of the cargo area, etc. For comfortable operation in the dark, there are retractable lights located behind the cabin. And that's not all, because the engineers have pumped over the technical stuffing of the pickup. The 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 engine works in tandem with a modified twin-turbo unit and produces 900 horsepower. The kit is complemented by the Cognito Motorsport suspension and 37-inch BF Goodrich KR2 wheels.